Prose Lesson 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. Hello dear students and dear friends. Today we are going to study and discuss the prose lesson 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole, one of the most famous writers today. So friends, open your textbook of English and see the icebreakers of this lesson on page number 77, or you can also see them on the screen in front of you. Dear students, solve all these activities in the icebreakers of this lesson at home and write them with their answers in your register or notebook of English. I repeat, solve all these activities that are given in the icebreakers of this lesson at home and write them with their answers in your register or notebook of English. Now, I would like to introduce you the writer Achyut Godbole first. So turn on the page and see this on the next page or on page number 78 of your textbook, or you can also read this on the screen in front of you. Now let's have information about the writer Achyut Godbole. Achyut Godbole was born in 1950. He is well known for his writings in Marathi and English. He is very famous for his writings in Marathi as well as in English. He is a prolific writer in various genres and has produced numerous original works as well as adaptations of works from other languages into Marathi. Prolific means producing a great quantity. Here it means a writer writing many books. And genre means a style of writing or of any art with specific features, or a type of literature or a form of literature with particular and specific features. So Achyut Godbole is the writer who has written many books in various forms, and he has produced numerous original works as well as adaptations of the works from other languages into Marathi. His writing style is informative and yet very formal. The writing style of Achyut Godbole is informative and yet it is very formal, or it is very informal. The writing style of Achyut Godbole is very informative and still it is very informal. He became a chemical engineer from IIT Mumbai in 1972 and headed top management positions in companies of great repute. Achyut Godbole became a chemical engineer from IIT Mumbai in 1972, and he headed top management positions in companies of great reputations. So this was his a brief introduction. Now I would like to explain you the content of this lesson, Voyaging Towards Excellence. Dear friends, this lesson is the autobiographical sketch written by Achyut Godbole that depicts his journey from a middle class schoolboy to a famous writer. I repeat, the lesson Voyaging Towards Excellence is the extract, is the article that depicts the writer's journey from a middle class schoolboy to a famous writer. He was a successful general manager of Patni Computer Systems. Achyut Godbole was a general manager. He was a successful general manager of Patni Computer Systems. He headed many other reputed companies and later became a famous writer. Achyut Godbole headed many other reputed companies in his life, and afterwards he became a very famous writer. The present writer discusses his quest for excellence, how he developed a thirst for knowledge. The present article means this lesson discusses his quest for excellence and how he developed a thirst for knowledge in him. He discusses at length the ingredients or essentials of success and the ways to achieve it. In this article, Achyut Godbole highlights the essentials of success and the ways to achieve success. So this is what the content of this lesson is. So dear friends, now I conclude here. All of you must read this lesson line by line, twice or thrice, till you understand it. Solve all the margin activities that are given in the light green margin beside the text of the lesson, and also solve the activities from the brainstorming section. Write all these activities with their answers in your notebook or register of English at home. So friends, I stop here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.